Hello and welcome to Idea Tech. Here we make tutorials on topics that might help you in one way or the other. Today we will look at on how to use MS Outlook. So first of all, we want to use our browser. Once we're in our browser, we want to go to office.com. Once we're in office.com, we want to select Outlook from here. That's the Outlook logo. We click on it and it should take us to our Outlook. Now, it's as simple as that. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, drop a like. And if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.